we'll see how this turns out. There was 3 minutes left. Well, that's okay. Well, you know what? Not too bad, actually. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. I will... Here, let me just pull it out here. You can kind of see, so right now this is like, it's hot because I have the heater on for the water there, but it's, wow. I wish I would have had a picture. I should have taken a picture before, because, well, there you go. You can kind of tell the whole thing was caked on just like that, and pretty bad in some sections. So I'm hoping that, yeah, see the linkages and everything. I'm hoping everything's going to be okay. I'm definitely going to clean it up and lube it, just so I hopefully won't have any issues. And you know, unfortunately, if I have issues with the throttle body, then I will just, you know, unfortunately, I'll just have to buy another one. But so now I'm just going to flip it. I think I had it that way. I'm going to flip it over this way and see how that goes. So I'll put it in for another. What's the temperature right now? So it's right now it's 48 degrees, 47. Turn the heat back on, and I'll do it for another 10 minutes and see. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Let's take a look. Yeah, these are the screws. You know what? That's pretty impressive. These screws were pretty disgusting before, so I will throw that back in there, run it for another 10 minutes, and then see. But yeah, so I ended up ordering a whole bunch of stuff from FCP Euro, and I have a couple big boxes. So I'm doing just a rundown. I'm doing a new radiator, water pump, all the coolant hoses, chain and sprockets, and everything's good. But I'm going to replace the chain tensioner just because it's already, I don't know, it's easy enough to do. Valve cover gasket, of course, and then, you know what? Here, let's go and see. I'm gonna bring out my I'm gonna go and grab my valve cover and the intakes so you can see what they look like, and yeah, just give me 1 sec.